So I was trying to play Clash Royale and I'm getting this error where it says login failed and login is not supported from your current location, try again. So guys, what's really happening with the Clash Royale? What's really happening? Why we can't able to log in? Today in this video I'll be deep dive into all the important details. What's really going on? What's the exact problem? How you can fix this one? Alright guys, now I was checking out the down detector and here you can see Clash Royale is indicating, many users are reporting there is outage situation. 200 outage report as of right now I'm doing this video. Let me refresh the page and just check this out. As of right now, just 357 outage reports. That means it's a global outage that many people are facing and it's primarily due to the server connection issue. And check this out, there are many users reporting Clash Royale having some issues, particular this login is failed. Now there are tons of users reporting the same exact issue. Now here is the thing guys, speaking of the latest details when the servers will be back up and running, let me show you as per as what's the latest update. To check out the latest update I headed over to Clash Royale Twitter official page and you know what, they will be rolling out some of the new and interesting features as far as I can see as per the latest tweet goes. And remember guys, on 27th of the March they have already tweeted out that we are heading into the maintenance soon to the launch to the new update. So there is the new update that they have been rolling out into the game, and that is the important reason why the game is not working as of right now. And the new Clash Royale update is right over here and you can check out the trailer onto their Twitter official page. You'll see the new arena right here into the game and it will have a couple of new interesting features as well, so check this out. And there will be new rewards and more interesting things. As far as I can see, this new update is quite interesting one. Now here is the thing guys, speaking of the updates, now here you can see they have been working out to fix this matchmaking times and here you can see they have just fixed out the matchmaking times are back to normal. They have been aware of the issue that many people are taking unusually long time for the matchmaking and they are trying to find a fix for this one as well. Now speaking of the exact maintenance schedule for the Clash Royale, as per the latest tweet 1 hours ago they have tweeted out, we'll be back, we'll be having a maintenance break for 30 minutes from this tweet for the some servers to upkeep. Now guys, remember guys, as far as I can see 1 hours has already passed and they said it will be a 30 minutes break from this tweet. So you can already see they have been lagging behind the schedule as far as I can see. So what's really going on? As per as the latest details guys, we'll have to wait because work is in progress. They have been rolling out the new updates into the game. So once I get any details I will keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar signing out.